welcome back to another brand new video, guys. Happy Friday. I missed you all. Let's get on into the video. Today we're actually having lunch at a new place, Bombay Talk in Edison. And around this place, no stores are open for dine-in except this place, and they have been following all guidelines. And we're all, you know, we have to sit outside and we have social distancing, everything going on. So let's go on and choose the food. So this is their menu. It's all paperized. So let's see what I'm gonna order. So guys, we finally ordered. So what we got was the cutlet shot, and then we got veg spring rolls, we got Szechuan noodles, we got fried rice with noodles, and hariyali noodles with shredded paneer. And then also we got Kulfi Falooda with rabdi, kesar flavored, and also dry fruit falooda, which comes in a glass. So let's see how that goes, and we're just gonna wait for the food now. So guys, the food finally came in, and we have the veg spring rolls, veg fried rice with noodles, and we also have the cutlet chaat with one of the faludas we ordered. And so the food's here, we're gonna start tasting, and let's go ahead. They did give us plastic spoons, actually just forks in single wrappers. Go ahead, dig in, guys. Already the spring rolls are very crunchy. After eating hariyali noodles? Yeah. Thank you so much.
No problem.
The hariyali noodles just came in with the shredded paneer, guys. This is different. I haven't tasted anything like this, or I haven't seen anything like this, guys. We're just at the appetizer, so we're gonna slowly move our way up. But for the veg spring rolls, they're actually really nice. Yeah. I haven't ate outside in so long that this is a good, you know, a taste to have back. And they also gave us ketchup with it, but I don't think I want to try it with ketchup. This is really good, guys. And the spring rolls also came with some chopped carrots and lettuce on the side. So we're gonna move on to the next thing, which is, this is the cutlet chop, guys, and it's a mixture of many colors. You can smell the mint already. I can see chickpeas, tomatoes, carrots, and I can feel the cutlet all the way at the down. And I don't think they cut it, so I think we're gonna have to cut it, but let's try it out. You can really taste the spice. They added the mint. The flavor is really good, like, you know, it hits the nostrils.
Oh, sorry, the Szechuan one.
Szechuan, okay. Okay. And the last thing we ordered, Szechuan noodles also came, guys. This looks hot. But this is good, guys. Now I'm gonna taste the cutlet and see how it is. It's really hot, guys. I don't really taste, I don't think the cutlet is fresh. I think they're using frozen cutlets for this chaat. Like, you can kind of taste like it's not fresh. Right, yeah, you guys try it. There's more cutlet downstairs.
Let's try this. There it is.
Finish this, guys. It's potatoes. They made it with potatoes.
Yeah, they're right about it not being fresh.
You can taste it, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel fresh. So guys, I finally put all 3 types of noodles that we got. This is the rice with noodles, veg. This is the Szechuan noodles, veg also. These are all veg. I think they added eggs, that's about it. And this is the hariali noodles. So let's try it. I'm taking the hariali first. It looks really different. I haven't really ate hariali noodles anywhere else. This is my first time trying this with shredded paneer on top. For my first time, this is actually really nice. It's actually really nice. It's like a different flavor to noodles. And the onions and the carrots all only bring the flavor up. Now next we're gonna try the Szechuan noodles. It's probably my favorite, guys. I thought this was gonna be really hot. This is actually really nice. This is one of my favorite flavors.
This Szechuan's good.
This is really good, guys. I'm feeling like there's a smoky flavor to it that I really like. And Bombay talk, keep it up, guys. I love the noodles, and don't change the recipe on this. This is really good. If you guys are coming to Bombay talk in Edison, definitely try Szechuan noodles. I really like this. Next up is the rice and noodles, veg. I actually thought this was going to be a lot more than it is. It's like a very bland flavor, not very much salt or anything. It's just for kids, where like you don't like too much spice or anything, any type of flavor too much. This is perfect for them. All you can really taste is the carrots and the bell peppers that they used, and a hint of onions. Not bad, but just not my favorite flavor. And so when we came here in the beginning, they said they just opened up recently. So I mean, it's not a bad place to try out. So the food you get here is not like the best and not the worst. It's a good price for the food they give. So I did have a little issue with the cutlet shot because I didn't think it was fresh, but like it's a good place to come and just chill and have friends just eat together. And the quantity of food I would say is like good for one person and a little more. That's about it. It's not like so much food where you can't finish. One more thing I would suggest to Bombay talk dining out is that they implement some type of ventilation system where they have like a fan or two in the corners, because it gets really hot out here for us to eat, and there's not much air. It's kind of in like a corner spot where not much wind flows through. There's buildings on both sides, and it gets really warm in here. So I would like to let you guys know that also, like, if possible, put a fan. So finally, for the dessert, guys, we have the Kulfi Falooda with Kesar, and we're gonna try that right now, and let's see how it is. This is my favorite, so I've ate it in India, and I don't know how it's gonna be here. Let's go, guys. Let's try it.
It's harder than I expected.
It's a bit hard to get through. This is really good, guys.
Okay.
I had this in India, and it tastes the same. Guys, it's taking me. Whoa. It's taking me back to my little kid days, like when I was a little kid.
Nostalgic. Taste some cinnamon. for some reason.
What ice cream is this? It's Kulfi.
Yeah, yeah, it's ice cream. Take it with the noodles.
Oh wow. The noodles think about it. I love the ice cream though.
This is so good, guys. Definitely try this if you guys do come here. Come on, guys, come on.
That's very true.
So guys, we're done here. It was an awesome experience coming out, and we were looking around for dine-ins, and this was the only dine-in available in Edison, Oak Tree Road. It was amazing. We had a great experience here, and if I had to say my favorite was the Kulfi with the Falooda. That was amazing. It took me back to when I was a little kid, when I was in India, and I love that. So if you guys like the videos that I'm posting, I am doing a food review again this video, and if you guys like it, go ahead, give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead, subscribe, share the video, and comment. Thank you guys. Peace out.